We live in a yes world, but we truly look up to those who have the guts to say no. Let's face it, the world would be a better place if people would keep their integrity and say no a bit more often. For 117 years, Budweiser Budvar has had the guts to stick to its original values, saying no to any compromise, and thus aims to inspire Czechs to do the same and stay true to themselves more often. In TV spots, we show inspirational personalities who have said defining no's that affected both themselves and the people around them. But how do we show Czechs that the country is full of inspiring people who have said defining no's in their lives and who stand behind their values? We launched the No Gallery, an independent online project that maps interesting everyday Czech personalities from all walks of life. These people all have one thing in common. They have the strength to say no. From people fighting against corruption and dictatorships, to people refusing big commercial sports careers. We search for our heroes by working with renowned journalists and individual online communities, looking for relevant candidates across all walks of life. And importantly, Budvar never influences the choice of the heroes. All decisions are made by 2 independent editors. All the created content is featured online through both text and video, and offered free to anyone who wishes to reprint it, under the Creative Commons license. And important media across the Czech Republic have reprinted dozens of articles. Thousands of people have shared the articles and videos on Facebook. After 9 months of existence, more than 105,000 people have visited the No Gallery, and articles have reached millions through reprints in mainstream media. 45 personalities are featured in the gallery, with 1 new personality appearing every week. The No Gallery has reached the status of a truly independent and inspirational online medium, and importantly, the articles and the PR they create gains much needed public support for these normal Czechs and makes them feel proud about the tough path they're taking. And although never influenced by Budvar, the brand remains an integral part of the project, not just through small banners on the site, but mainly through the idea that no makes us what we are.